welcome back to my craft room. If you haven't been here before, welcome. My name is Sue, and today I am purging or decluttering or spring cleaning. I'm getting ready because I want to buy new products, and because it's springtime, there's all new colors, new yarn, new fabric, new papers, and I feel guilty if I buy any of it, realizing that I have all this stuff to go through. And one of the first things I was going through is brochures. When you watch a lot of the different videos about minimalism and decluttering, the first thing they say is to get rid of manuals because we can get them online. And I thought, that's easy. Manuals, I could do that. That's not going to affect my craft room any. Then I started realizing that really all these books that we have are all manuals of some sort. And if you're like me, we have lots of them. And on some of them, I've done one thing, like I've done this doll, and there's like 4 or 5 dolls in there, and I thought, oh, I'll do a whole collection. I did the one, and it was a lot of work. Oh my God, it just kept me go. It was just so much work that I never wanted to do another one again. I realized that that's not my forte. Or I've done blankets, and I've done some, you give them away as baby gifts or wedding gifts, and that's fine. Or you do some and you think, oh, that would be so cozy in my living room, and I picked that perfect color. And then you switch colors in your living room, and you're like, what do I do? Make another one of that same pattern? No, you go buy another book of Afghans thinking that you're going to change your style, and then that book sits around because you didn't touch it for, in my case, many, probably some of these books that I have are like 20 years old. What I'm getting at is we don't need to keep these things. My goal for now is to just get rid of these things and really take a hard look as to, am I really going to make this anything in this book? And maybe if I'm going to make one thing, like for thread crochet, that's an art all in itself, and it is very difficult to do and time consuming. And I did these bells and I love them, but am I going to do the rest, or am I going to do them again? No, I don't think so. So I will probably have to let this one go, even though, look at all that cute stuff. Oh, God, it just kills me that I may not keep this for all these things. But if I have a need where I need to crochet, I don't know, a doily or something, I'm sure I can get something online that's equivalent to this, and I don't need to keep it. So I'm going to go through a lot of these books and get rid of them, and that's going to be my spring cleaning, is to see how many I can get rid of. So let me quickly go through this and see what we do.
Changes, we're making changes, rearranging our lives.
I'm getting rid of all of these manuals. I am so happy. That's probably, I don't know how many pounds of weight, and I'm only keeping a couple that I can see myself making projects with in the near future. And then I still need to learn how to knit, so I want to keep that, and some of my favorite baby books that I've used in the past. I want to keep those. So that's all I'm keeping out of that big stack. So I'm very pleased with that. So you may find that you also have all these manuals, instruction books that you don't need. And that's the first thing we can spring clean in our area. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe so you can see some future videos that I will have coming up. I hope you have a wonderful day or evening, and I look forward to spending my time with you again soon. Thank you very much.